Hey everyone! Today, I'm gonna show you how to enable and turn off developer options on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open Settings on your mobile. Once you are in, next, find My Phone option in the settings. In some mobiles, it can also be About Phone. But in my mobile, it is My Phone. So, when you find it, click on it. Now, scroll down, and you'll see Build Number. Go ahead and tap on this about 4 times. Once you're done, Developer Mode will be enabled on your mobile. Now, let's go back. And then, scroll down to the very end. And you'll see System option. Click on it. And again scroll a little bit. And you will see Developer option at the end. Select this, and you'll see a bunch of new options pop up on your Android phone. If at any point you want to turn off developer options, just go back to the top developer options menu and toggle it off. Once you do that, you'll see that developer options is no longer listed under About Phone. So that's how you enable and disable developer options on your Android phone. It's very easy to do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.